Bonjour everybody. Bonjour everybody. Bonjour everybody. Bonjour everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Loulou c'est la vie. Loulou c'est la vie. Loulou c'est la vie. Loulou c'est la vie. And for today's video, I am going to do a little video on how to keep. We're gonna talk about how to be. Okay, so before I go any further, I realized that I completely forgot to mention a very important piece of information. This video is going to be a fucking mess. But before you dismiss but before you know what, let me just get some of that good-ish. You'll see that I don't look Parisian at all. I look like what people think Parisian looks like, but I don't look Parisian. Oh, this is heavy and hot. Heavy and hot. Oh. Yeah, I work out. And if you think I look Parisian right now, you guys need to go to Paris, okay? Shut up. Okay, that being said, let's get this party started. All right, now let's get this party started. One thing that I need to get is a spray bottle. I'll be right back. I'm back. All right, step one, I am going to wet my hair. Wet. So that was the last time I used a brush or a comb in my hair. Come on! This video is going to be a fucking mess. Dude! I'm filming! Anyway, thank you. Now I can start. Okay, so first we're gonna wet. And then I am going to hand curl. And curl in the upper position. Upward. Vertical. Oh, my hair. So now it's time. So then it was time to apply my products. Wet. Like I said earlier, my favorite gel of the moment is the Widad Climate Control Advanced. Those are great, but yeah. Still to this day, it acts up and will fall flat sometimes. Wait. Still to this day, it acts up and will fall flat. Oh putain, my hair looks like shit. C'est incroyable ça. Oh, c'est la catastrophe. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Well, we are doing hair here. The clumping technique has been the best technique method. I am experiencing day 2, and this is great. It's just it's like a new world for me. It's like, what do you mean I have a day 2? What in what world? One time I was even able to go up to the day 4, you guys. Yes, well, day 4 was nasty, but day 3 was good. The day 3 was not bad, but day 4 was like, go take a shower. Go take a shower. Mind you, my hair gets weighted down really fast. This is caviar, okay? I'm loving. It's not caviar. Caviar is not cheap. You know what I mean, okay? It's a Beaujolais Nouveau of the hair product. French people will get the joke. Does that make fucking sense? Alright, my loves, I am done diffusing my hair. Ta-da! I am done diffusing my hair. This is the end result. I'm not mad at it, you know. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's see, let's analyze. On the top of my hair, I spray it in my hand like this, and then I just do that with it, and then I scrunch it over there like that. Does that make fucking sense? And then I do it a little bit, I scrunch it a little bit on the end like that. What are we doing? What are we doing here? No false expectation. See your hair for what it is, accept it for what it is, and learn to love it for what it is. Once you get there, you're good to go. This is the panty that goes with it. Again, little ruffles on the side. I absolutely adore this panty. Now, it is a sexier. Well, that's it. I think I'm done with my products. Voilà, that's that. This is it. Well, that's it. I am... Non, Luisa, tu vas arrêter tout... Well, that's it. I am done with my go-to product. Alright, my loves. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy the content. It helps me, the content. Let me know in the let me know in the comment section what is your favorite. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. What are you waiting for? And don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know how your curly hair journey is going so far. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy and healthy. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Et à bientôt. Allez, last one. Alright, my love, this is it for this video.
Wait before the last one. I heard you like going back and forth. I think you should this.
I'm trying to wrap this up so bad.
I heard you. I was like,
Hey, c'est la vie.